Yes. So basically, this is what I've been up to the last couple of months, on and off, on and off, on and off. But this is why I haven't been filming anything, because down here it's just a mad thing. Especially working on this car, man. I'm telling you. So right now, I'll take you a little tour around what I'm doing right now. I have to take out this seat so I can put some water meth here, because if you look around, there's absolutely nowhere that I can put this water meth. I've got a nuke there, the lift is going there. The only place I can put it is behind the driver's seat. Hopefully on the next shot, this seat should be out. I can mark up where I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna put this tank and this pump. It's going here, like that. One sec, put that on there. Yeah, so that's gonna go on there. I've done these holes, these marks already. Then I'm gonna put the pump like so. Ugh. It's heavy, man, it's heavy. Only thing is I can't flipping film and do that at the same time. It's mad. Look at this. The cars are just, it's just too close. This guy's gonna be pissed, but man ain't gonna know. This is the seat. Nice seat, man. Evo 2, sick. Comfortable, proper comfortable. You know that I painted the back. Same colour. See the same colour? Yeah, same colour, same colour. Line this up with this. Where's that? That's gonna go here. And then make sure that's lined up. That's gonna be more like that. Flip it now. Hey. Yeah, that's gonna be more like that. So if I'm panting, man, I'm mad out of breath, mad lazy, mad fat, mad fat. Anyway, yeah. So yeah, more like that, I think. I'm gonna show you how wicked these four prone nuts are. I think they call them 4-prone. I'm sure it's 4-prone. It's because it's got these like teeth that bite into the wood. It saves you from having to put like a nut on the other side and having to use like a spanner on the other side. So basically what happens is you just screw it in, and what you do is you keep tightening it until the nut bites into the wood, and then that's when it's fully fitted. That's it. That's that done. This side done. It's bitten in already, so happy with that. Do the same thing for the pump. Take from there. Fuel hoses from TT Racing, and basically I paid quite a lot of money for them. They said I was E85 compatible. I haven't used the E85 on them. Use normal pump gas, normal pump, normal petrol, and all the hoses have what's it called? Stretched. That's why they're all flipping bandy and rounded like that. Everything was straight and neat. But the minute I turned the car on, run it for a little while, they all went flipping bandy like this. I messaged them and they didn't reply. But a little heads up for you guys out there. Sometimes when it says E85 compatible, just bottom line is don't cheap out when it comes to getting fuel hoses. So here it is. Hey, mad tight. That's gonna tighten down here. Oh, hello. Just do a little dummy test fit, and there it is, like that. Oh, that'd be sick if it was up there like that, innit? You know. But it's not too bad, you know. Look, it don't move. That's quite sick. But when there's weight in it, might be a different story. Let me put this down. And then it's going to be like that. Unfortunately, like that. And go on the other side. I'm not too bothered about how it looks from there because that's going to be covered. You're not really going to see it from that side. I'll see this side. I think you're going to see it from the front in here like that. That's the only down point is you're going to see, everyone's going to be like, AM, water meth for the crackheads. But that's really solid actually. It's more solid than I thought it would be. Flipping hell. That's quite sick actually. But just like a peace of mind, isn't it? I'm going to be putting Loctite on this. But yeah, so with this way, with the 4-prong nutting, you can just take these out anytime you want. You don't have to mess about with the board. And I'm going to do that with all the other bits that I got to put on there as well. Only downfall is you got to make sure you're getting thick enough wood. It didn't sound good, did it? Thick wood. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, you got to make sure you're getting like a thick enough wood for so that that prong doesn't go through when you're tightening it. Because if you tighten a bit too much, it feels like it's just going to eat its way through if the wood's not thick enough. I was literally gonna put a strap on innit? I was gonna put this strap on like this, and then put that make a hole and do the same thing with that bolt there, and with this strap on here. Go to work with the strap on, innit? Flipping out. These words, man. It's car related, isn't it? So car related, same thing, man, same thing. But yeah, basically like that. Problem I got is that not the strap, that's alright. This bolt's not long enough. So I need something a lot longer. Because behind this wood, there's something to secure it. There's another piece of wood to secure it. It's about 2 inches long. So I need a longer bolt. But for now, I can still fit the pump. I just need to line the pump up so I know exactly where. So what I'm trying to do is, with this, is you see the inlet and outlet. I'm trying to kind of line that up with the outlet of, you can't see it, but the outlet of that tank. That's what I'm trying to do. So here's the hose. Here's all the holes. The holes, you know. Done these four. Just gonna put this one in the back. So yeah, there we are. All I need to do now is make sure they're secure at the back. See that? All those are done. But you see how these work, innit? It's wicked, man. I definitely recommend these 4-prong. I think it's 4-prong nuts. I'm gonna double check it anyway when I get upstairs. 4-prong nuts. Yeah, man, definitely recommend this. It makes things so much easier. And this is how easy it makes it. Once it's out, you screw it in, screw it out. Make sure you take that washer with you. So this is done. This is done on. Like I said, this just has to be lined up with the output of that. Input, output. And we're good to go. There's a filter in between here. It's just gonna sit right here. I'm gonna clean up all this. So it's gonna be hidden behind the driver's seat. It's the only location I can think of, man, because there's nowhere else in the car that I can put it. It's mad. I'm gonna give this car a clean out. I'll get back to y'all. Got the 1/4-inch lines. Just one in here. Put all these underneath there. Now's the time to do it. run them all underneath. Oh man, that's what happens when you want to build a race car, B. Yeah, it's gonna go in there. Cut him some slack. Tie straps, yeah. Tie strap can be your best friend. Anyway, so I still need to cover these cables. We've still got quite a bit of wiring to do. There's the wires that I got. I already labelled everything. Just literally should be just plug and play. The wires I need, these two to go to the battery. That's at the back. Boom. Simple, man. The main thing is wiring it from here, because I need to get it to here where the controller is going to be. Wire all this stuff through. That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna go for try and this. I just want to finish it up, man. Though I'm gonna run the wires. I'm gonna run the controller here. I drilled the hole. What did I do? Cut this. That's where the harness is gonna go through here. I just need to cut this all up quickly. Heat shrink it up, and then run the wires through. I don't know whether or not I'm gonna come through here, through the back part here, and then join this. I might join it, I might come this way, but I'm not sure yet, and then go to all the components. Quickly tackling this loom, quickly running the loom and the harness and that, covering it up, put some the heat shrink on it so I can run it behind the center console, and then I'm going to fix up these wires and then put them all in the location. Man, it's like what, 4 a.m. That's what man's got to do, innit? So far this is where I'm at. Covered the heat shrink, cut a little hole in here, just a small hole, just enough to squeeze the cover through with the loom. Run it down the side of in there, down the side of here, tucked it underneath here, tucking it underneath here, running it inside here, running it down along here, and I'm gonna run it all along there, and then go into here, and then the power, and then I got an LED light which I've run down there, because that's the sensor, innit, to tell you when the level's low, and that's gonna go to that. So I'm gonna tuck it up there, and that's it, man. That's more or less. You got your power, you got your tank, and you got your pump. The yellow and the green you don't need. We're good to go. We are good to go. It's now like 5 a.m. I think. Been dilly-dallying down here. So I'm mounted like that. I just, I don't. It's one that's kind of be in your face, So that's it there. Don't mind it taking up a cup holder. The controller's gonna sit there, the AM there, the pump there. I don't know that from behind, but like I said, you're not gonna see it because the airlift tank's gonna be there. You're definitely gonna see the AM from the front though. Let's see. See it? Yeah, in your face. Wow, that's mad. I know, for reals now, for reals. Thanks for watching. It's nothing much anyway, just like a little tiny update. I'm gonna chop this up so it doesn't seem too long. Hope it wasn't too boring. Anyway, catch me on the other side when I'm doing some more bits of this, if I have time. Stay blessed. Good night.